In today's video, I will walk you through how to use ElevenLabs sound effects. To begin, log into the ElevenLabs platform. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the panel on the left side of the screen. From the available options, click on Sound Effects. This will take you to the Sound Effects section where you'll find a collection of generated audio clips that are already available. If you're looking for a specific sound effect, move to the search bar. Type in the keyword or short phrase that describes the sound you want to find, then run the search. Browse through the available results to see if the sound you're looking for is already there. If you can't find the exact sound you need, you can generate your own. Scroll down to the prompt area near the bottom of the page. This is where you'll describe the sound effect you want to create. Enter a detailed description that clearly explains the sound you want the AI to generate. Include the details you want so the platform has a clear understanding of the audio effect you're requesting. Before generating the sound, take a moment to look beside the prompt area. Next to the Generate button, you'll see information showing the cost of creating the audio. Review this information before continuing, so you know exactly what will be used when you generate the sound effect. Once you're happy with your prompt, click the Generate button. The platform will begin creating your custom sound effect based on the description you entered. After the generation is complete, media player controls will appear on the screen. Use these playback controls to preview the generated audio. Listen carefully to make sure the sound matches what you were expecting. If you're satisfied with the result, you can move on to the next step. You'll find a download button alongside the media player controls. Click the download button to save the generated sound effect directly to your device. Once the download is complete, the audio file will be available for you to use in your video projects whenever you need it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.